Here's another video. I've got this kid's electric trike and it's not working. It's not charging apparently. So I'm going to be having a look at that today. I'll show you here. There's no sound or movement. So what I'm going to do, let me just get the seat removed and check the battery, which is underneath the seat here. And I've already undone the screws for the bracket which holds the battery in place, as you can see here, exposing the terminals. So let me just first and foremost check the charger. Just plug it in. It's supposed to be 12 volts. Just put the terminals on here. And as you can see, we've got 16. Strange. Plug the charge on the back here, so I can see if there's any charge going to the battery. So let me just connect the tester, and it's showing 1.6 volts, which is obviously incorrect, minus. So what I've got to do now, just remove this tester. There's obviously a problem with the wires going to the battery. That's the negative. The black wires are neutral, go straight to the battery. And this is the plus, which goes, as you can see here, it's broken off of the connector. I'll show you there. Somehow. So let me just flip the bike up. I've removed the bottom cover already. There's a black cover which covers the bottom at the front. And what I've got to do now is remove this charging adapter. Let me just get Phillips in here. See if I can unscrew it. Okay. So I've undone the screws. Just a matter of lifting the unit out. You see there. Put a little arrow there. You can see where the wire's broken off. So I'm going to have to see if I can solder that back on. Let me just flip it up and see if I can pull the socket out so I can solder the wire back on. A little bit fiddly here, as you can see. Okay, I've got the socket out here. A little close up there. You see where the wire's broken off. This is the wire here, and it's come away somehow. So like I said, I've got to solder it back on. Let me just strip back this wire, the plus wire, to expose the bare wire. And then somehow, some of the other sections of this terminal broke off. So somehow I've got to try and fix it to here. Solder it to the little part remaining, as you can see there. Okay, let me just get a bit of paper on the here because I don't want to damage the trike. So just got to put a bit of flux on here, and then I'm just going to solder the wire back on, as it obviously come away somehow. You can see me just resoldering it, and that should do. And then just show you here, got it all soldered up. So it's just a matter of tucking it back into its housing. Just push it back through this hole here, and just screw it back into position. A little bit awkward. And let me just refit the battery terminals as they were, the cover, the bracket. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is plug the charger back in again. Okay, so I left it to charge. I'm just going to give it a try. Left it to charge for a couple of hours. And as you can see here, we've got power now. Just press the forward pedal. And you can hear it moving forwards, and just flick it backwards. Okay, so that's a successful repair. So with that, thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.